Hey guys, this is cat number 5 in here. I am servicing and cleaning this General Electric box fan, model 106620 from 2004. It is all apart, as you can see. The dust, got the grills here, the back grill, and the front grill, as you can see, and all my tools and the feet there. So I'm going to turn it on here. I'm going to slip the feet on the bottom so I can run it on all speeds, because it's if I can get it. There we go. There's one foot. And where's the other one?
Yeah, before it's too early. Oh, that's okay. See how they're already naturally separated.
It's giving me a hard time here. Alright, there we go.
I've actually never done that. I mean, I think you have to be able to with the skin feel.
Okay, here we go. Have to zoom out a little bit. Here's high. Hold on to it just in case. Let's get out the grill. Low. And I gotta be very, never try this at home. So you can see, doing a little. Now this is what I was talking about in my other video, the rust here, and on the bottom it's rusty too. It's not in great shape. Here, let's do a startup sound. It doesn't have much, only on high. Here we go. Okay, so hope you enjoy the video, and comment, subscribe, and out, and ta-ta for now. Goodbye.